Okay, welcome everybody. I'm here with Bev. We're just going to talk a little bit about our first 30 days doing the True Cellular Detox program. So I know in this program, how are you feeling with your energy levels?
Fantastic.
Okay.
I mean, I even sleep better at night.
Okay, sleep better
And
at
I
night.
get up in the morning with no problems. And then I exercise, and
Yeah.
it's just really good. And then I feel good the rest of the day.
Yeah, it's awesome.
It
And the
is.
recipes and the foods have all been...
Oh, they're delicious.
Okay.
Wonderful.
Okay,
All of those
awesome.
things taste good. They've got a few favorites, too.
Okay, cool. And the packets with the supplements, it's been very easy to do.
Very easy to do, no problem. You just have to follow directions with morning and afternoon, and it's really easy.
Okay, awesome. And then you even lost 4 pounds already, right?
Already 4 pounds.
Okay.
And I couldn't believe it. It was just amazing.
Okay.
And I know my toxicity. I can't
Yes,
pronounce
toxicity,
it.
yes.
Yeah, it's come down quite a
Yeah,
bit, too.
so looking at your scores, your toxicity's gone over 50% down, your meta-oxy's gone down, all your inflammation levels are down, and that's just in the prep phase.
Just in the prep phase.
Pretty cool. All right, we'll touch base back with you here in the next couple of phases.
Sounds great.
Awesome.